Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password in your Skype. All you need to do is just go to Google and then Google Skype and then click that one, click that sign up. If you don't have account yet, please go check out my other videos. I'll show you how to sign up. But for now, I'm just gonna click my account. Just put your username or email or your phone number and then click next and input your password. Click don't show this again and then just wait and then scroll down going to change password. Click it and then you can change your password here. In my case, I'll just gonna just put your current password, sorry. And then click save. I'll save that one too. We need to verify the password. You need to put it again and then sign in. And there you have it. You change your password. Just go to your info. Now your password has been changed. I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye!